Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. I welcome you all to today's class of English. This is my first class with you in the new session, and I assure you that we'll enjoy our classes a lot. Dear students, before beginning the chapter, I would like to talk to you regarding certain points that this year Sugandha ma'am and myself both will send you the videos, and you will follow the instructions given in campus care in the homework section, that which all things you have to write in copy and what are your homework. And although you have completed one full year of online classes, so you must be knowing all the rules and regulations of the online classes and how to do. And you are grown-ups also now. You're in class 8, so you have to behave a little bit in a matured way. So I know that most of you might not have purchased the new grammar book. So today I'll teach you the basic things about the topic adjectives. Although adjectives are not a new topic for you, you have already known about it, learnt about it since your childhood. So when you were in a very small class, you have learned that adjectives are qualifying words. That means adjectives, whenever adjective comes, the word adjective comes in our mind, we think that, oh, it must be talking about the quality. But here quality will be negative and positive, both the qualities. And number, quantity, many other things also come in the category of adjectives. We will know about the kinds of adjectives in today's class, although you know, but then just a revision. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. In the category of adjectives of quality, the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing, whether it is positive or negative, both will come. Colors come in this category. And adjective of quantity and adjective of number, both the things are different from each other. Sometimes students get confused with adjective of quantity and adjective of number, but in adjective of quantity we talk about the uncountable nouns, and in adjective of number we talk about the countable things. So we have to keep in mind all these things, because certain times during exam also, MCQs also, students do mistakes because they don't know the difference between these two. So in adjective of quantity we will not knowing the exact number of something, like we use little, enough, much, few, like that. In adjective of number we talk about the exact numbers of something, like 1 2 3 4. In this category, adjectives of number, we have definite numeral number, indefinite numeral number, and distributive numeral adjective. What are the three things? Definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, and distributive numeral adjectives. In the category of definite numeral adjectives, we have cardinals and ordinals. Regarding cardinals, we talk about 1, 2, 3, 4 till billions, millions, any number. In ordinals, we talk about the order of a person or thing, like first, second, third, fourth. What is the position, you could say. Then indefinite numeral, we don't know the exact number, so we will use few, many, this kind of words, where we talk about the countable things, but we will use few, many, not the exact number. Distributive numeral adjective refers to each one, like we generally use every, each, this kind of words. These distributive numeral adjectives are similar to distributive adjectives also. Distributive adjectives are also there in some of the books. Then we have demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, when we are talking particularly about a thing or a person, animal, or place. So generally we use this, that, those, this kind of words. We have interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions like which city, whose pen. When the question, when the questions, WH questions are asked, WH questions we have already talked about in the last class also. We have many WH questions like why, what, which, whose. We have 9, including how. So, which city, whose pain, these all type of questions answer noun or a pronoun. We have to take care of that. Then we have possessive adjective. Possessive means belongings or possessions like my city, their house, her book. When it indicates that the particular thing is belong to that particular person. Okay. Then we have we will know about some other kind of adjectives also. There are many adjectives. As you are growing, as you are going to higher classes, we will know some new things also about this particular terms of grammar. Okay, then I think today is the first day, so this is enough for today. First day with me, and we will know about adjectives more when you all will have your books. We will do the exercises of books, whatever will be given at the back of the chapters, and we will go with this particular chapter one more day when I will elaborate it in a better way, and I'll give you notes also. Today I'll send you the PDF of certain exercises which you will practice at your home, so that you could remember the points, remember the things which you have already done in class 7. The same topic is there. So dear students, I think it is enough for today. I hope you will be serious about your studies, because you are in class 8 now. So whenever you have queries, whenever you have doubts, you may ask your teachers. Suppose I'm the class teacher of 8A, I'm also there in 8B group. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the topic or the subject, you just put the messages, your queries in your group, so that your teacher can convey it, your class teacher can convey it to the subject teachers. So dear students, this is enough for today. We are going to wind up. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you.